Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget that this channel is all about product recommendations and love and relationship talks. So in today's video, I am going to be talking about facial cream. Yes, I'm not actually on makeup. No powder is on my face, okay? Because I am going to be recommending good products for your face, especially for those of us that have color imbalances on our face, and for those of us that has been looking for best products to use for their facials. Here with me, I have BISMID Night Facial Cream. This BISMID Night Facial Cream is one of the best I have come across. Yes, I've used a lot of products because I love everything skin and I love to try a lot of products. At the same time, I have a lot of friends who try so many products, okay? So this particular BISMID has been tested and trusted. This is BISMID Night Facial Cream, okay? Very nice. It gets rid of pigment, remove sunburns, make your face smooth and glow. Okay, look at this, how it looks. BISMID Night Facial Cream. And also I have Normax. Okay, this is a facial cream. Oh, the name, I'm trying to make the name sure, but don't worry, I'll show you the image. This is Normax, okay, for day. It's a day cream for your face. So while you use BISMID Night Facial Cream, you use Normax as your day cream for your face. Note, it's not nice to use your body cream on your face. That is one of the issues. That is one of the major causes of issues on the face, okay? So you make sure you get your facial cream and get the best. That's why I'm here, and that's why this channel is here. I will recommend the best to you, okay? So get this. This is Normax, okay? It's a day cream. It's good. It is good. When you're using them, when your face gets to the level you want, like you want your face to be toned, glow and soft, if it gets to that level, you gently cover them and keep, okay? You keep them. When else you need it, you use it. I'm not even on makeup, but my face is shining. Just imagine when I apply makeup. So that is it. It's very good. And I also have BISMID facial soap. This facial soap is good. You don't need to use your body soap on your face. You get BISMID facial soap. This video is for those of you that is looking for good facial products to use. You want a glowing face. You want your face to look beautiful. You want to get rid of spots, sunburns, color imbalances, signs of aging. Then watch this and get this product. You will not regret it. And guess what? They are very affordable. The fake ones have even gotten soap before, were more expensive than this. These things are just a token, and you see how your face, you see how your skin will look like. That's all about facial products, best facial products to use. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to also turn on the notification bell.